Hello guys, this video is going to be on long-term investor. Before getting into any new thing, you should know how the process goes and you should know what are the basic things you must know before getting into it. So I will be teaching you what to analyze before investing in a stock. I have done one more video on basics of stock market, how actually stock works on daily or weekly or monthly basis. So this video basically teaches you how to deal with fundamental analysis and technical analysis. These are the two important things if you have to invest for a successful returns on the stock. Okay, first you have to learn what is fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is nothing but knowing about the company. It's about having knowledge on the news, or example like checking for earnings, dividend payout, dividend yield, return on equity, EPS, earnings per share. These all the things you should be knowing before investing. So where do you get all this information? You get on NSE website. You have the Indian NSE website and moneycontrol.com, Economic Times. These are the best website you can find. So example, I'll just show you how to deal with fundamental analysis. So just go on typing moneycontrol.com. So once you get into it, just assume you want to know about Reliance. Just type Reliance. Okay, this is where you come to know what is the present share going on, and you will know what is the opening and closing, what is the previous low, and what is the volume. This is what you should know. See, 7 lakhs is a good amount, or good, there are many people, and you can know insights and price, volume, what are the news going on, and these are all the things like Fibonacci. You come to know. See, you just come to know that it's very bullish, so you have to think on a bullish side. You're at the right time to invest in Reliance. That is how you come to know on this website. You come to know on Economic Times or whatever, any website. So that is how you get to know about fundamental analysis. Then you have to go one step ahead, that is on technical analysis part. Okay, so you just have to learn 3 concepts. So you have to learn what is support and resistance. What is support and resistance? You will come to know where people have sold, where people have bought. Okay, and there is higher high and lower low concept, and there is one more thing called Fibonacci level. Okay, these are the 3 important things you will have to learn before getting into or investing on the stock market. These are very simple, and if you want to learn deeply, I have actually made videos on this too. You can follow and view for your reference, and I will be showing how to deal it too. But right now, first you have to learn what is support and resistance, and higher high and higher low concept, and Fibonacci. Okay, I will see, as a safe trader you have to get or exit at 0.61, or and like if you want to still wait for more profits, you can wait for 1.16 or 1.27. Okay, and there is also an indicator. People are behind indicator. Okay, if you want to know about indicator, you can go with Rsi Indicator. That's one of the good indicator if you want to know how many people are in it, if the volume is good, if people are bullish or bearish, if many people have bought. You can come to know with this Rsi Indicator. I've made a video on this too. So I will show how you have to analyze before getting into a stock. So basically you have to go with your fundamental analysis. You have to study or have little knowledge on fundamental analysis. Okay, once you feel that it's the right time to buy on the news part, you just have to go on the technical analysis. How do you get into it? So I have mentioned here that look for support and resistance. So what are the time frames you have to look? 4 hours or day or week. Okay, so basically these are the 3 time frames you can look if you're going for long or as an investor, because you're not ending a trade in a day, right? So you're going to go for more than a day or hour basis. So on the time frame, example, just type Reliance. This is a trade view. So here you type for Reliance or any other stock. Okay, I'll just show it on Reliance, and this is where you put on the time frame. So here is what I wanted to show: 4 hours, day, week, month. If you're going to if you're going to stay for a week or more than a week, go for a day. If you're going to stay for like a month, you have to calculate on weeks, right? So that is how this time frame works. So I will show on 4 hours chart. Okay, as I've already told you, first you have to look for support and resistance. For all this, every concept I'm going to teach, I have made separate video for that, but on an outer look I would want to show here. Okay, so assume uh, the stock. Okay, the stock kept falling from here. Okay, this is 4 hours candle. One candle represent 4 hours. Okay, assume the Reliance kept falling from 2334 to 1843. So there is 500 rupees fall in Reliance, and now you see that there is consolidation. Okay, you see consolidation. And how do you know that? Okay, just assume, okay, that there was some good support here. Okay, I'll mark this as my good support, and I'll just think that okay, there are more buyers getting into the picture here. So what I do is I start thinking when to invest. So first you have to look for support and resistance. This is going to be my support, and obviously what is my resistance? Number of people who have sold. So obviously people have sold here, so the stock has moved from here till here, right? There were no buyers, so the stock kept moving down. That is what is the concept behind the stock market. So once you identify support and resistance, what you have to look for is, the next concept is higher high and higher low concept. Higher high and higher low concept is high low, high low, high low. So basically this is going to be high low, high low. The stock never comes like this, right? You see in this format, like this, like this, like this. That is how you see on daily basis. So you have to know this concept. Okay, I have made a video on this too. So if you know that stock kept moving like this, see, I'll show you. This was high and it fell till here, then again moved up again, then fell down again, little higher, then lower. So it broke the last high. It should never break last high, so it keeps moving on this trend itself, but the trend was broken here. So this is when I will be interested to buy. Okay, as a long-term investor, you have to think just for buying, right? you can't sell like an intraday trader. So you have to look for only buying opportunities. So once you identify this one, the down moments, and then the fluctuation you keep seeing. Okay, once you see that, you will have to learn what is Fibonacci. Fibonacci is very easy. I have made a video on that too. Just that how the stock moves is it comes from above and then takes rejection at 0.61 and then keeps moving on the same trend. That is what Fibonacci says. It follows whatever the trend is. If it is on an uptrend, it comes from low, then high. I'll just erase this for so if on an uptrend, it goes from here, then takes retracement till Fibonacci 61 and again it goes up. Okay, how do you identify this? Draw from low to high and it should take support till here. This is going to be 0.61 support. So the stock is going to continue the trend. Okay, till where? Till your nearest resistance, or till where sellers were seen. Or there is one more thing that is Fibonacci 0.61. okay, so once when you buy, it will go to 1.61, 0.61 to 1.61. I've made a clean video on this too. You can watch for more reference. So I told you that you will be interested to buy here. Assume you buy at random position here, anywhere. Till where do you exit it? Till my 0.61. okay, see, take it till here, and I've mentioned that if you are a safe trader, you exit at 0.61. This is where you exit. Assume you bought it at this in and around here, and then you made profit of about 247 rupees on Reliance. If you are an aggressive trader, or a patient trader, you wait till 1.27 or 1.61. We just saw that it's very bullish. And so what do I do? Assume I buy it till here. Where do I exit? The stock is still going on and you can expect it till here. Where do you expect? At least till 0.127 or 0.161. okay, I've mentioned here that 1.27 or 1.61. okay, so basically if you want to exit early, you buy here, sell at 61, or else you wait till 127 or 161, that is about 827 or 639 rupees. That is how you have to deal with Fibonacci. I'll show you one last example and you can have back testing and invest accordingly. Okay, let's assume that the stock kept falling till here, starts from here, kept falling till here. Okay, then according to my support and resistance concept, I see there was a lot of fluctuation and this is where people bought it, right? See, from here the stock kept moving up, right? So I'll just mark this randomly. Or you can mark this points 890. Let's assume 890, there were a lot of buyers. So I'll think on buying till here. This is my support, right? That is my one of the concept, first step. And then I'll learn. I have told you, you have to go with higher high and higher low concept. So higher high and higher low concept is, I don't think I told you how this works on an uptrend, right? So the stock goes like this, falls down, falls, goes above, and comes down like this. It keeps going on this direction. Oops, sorry. Keeps going like this. When you see consolidation, you can sell. Okay, when there is no new form, no new high form, you can sell. You feel that there is a good resistance here. This is where you can sell. Buy here and sell here. That is what is higher high and higher low concept. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That is how the concept works. So how do you judge it on Fibonacci here? Okay, so the first step was to identify support. Okay, I did that. My second step is going to be Fibonacci. So I draw it from my recent high to my low. You are a safe trader. Exit at 0.61. Assume you buy. See, I told you that 890 was good support or good buyer zone. You buy here and sell here. So you're profiting in and around 387 rupees if you are an aggressive trader. Okay, same, let it be the same high and low. You will exit at 1.27 or 1.618. See, from here till 1.17 or even more is here. Do you see that there is a rejection here? The Reliance kept moving above. You could have waited, but it's better to exit, and you have profited of about 1000 rupees. That is how you get into as a long-term trader. These three concepts, if you learn, you will be a successful trader. Okay, so keep following and keep supporting. Thank you so much.